So this tutorial will just help you to export a specific time frame of your video in Camstasia. Okay, you don't need to export all of this one in here, because you can just like grab the starting and ending duration of that scene, and then let's say I just want to export the 10 seconds until the 24 seconds. So you just need to drag that out, and then right click on the add timeline selection. I'm not sure. Right click the produce timeline selection, next, and it will be exported as MP4. It really helps me a lot when I am creating a podcast video and then I want to grab something about the teaser. Then this strategy will work well versus on exporting it and then cutting it back into the Camtasia.